In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a KFC order using the KFC app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open the KFC app, and then we need to make sure to log in. So if you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Then go to your orders. So you want to navigate to the orders or order history section in the app. 4, select the order to cancel. So view the order you want to cancel and tap on it to view the order details. And then you need to check cancellation option. So look for a cancel order button or a similar option. If available, tap it and confirm the cancellation. And just a side note, cancellation is typically possible only if the order has not been prepared or dispatched. And then 6 here, if needed, you can also contact customer support. So if you don't see cancellation option in the app, use the help or support section to contact KFC customer support. Provide them with your order details and request a cancellation. Then from there, just simply wait for a confirmation. Once the cancellation is processed, you should receive a confirmation notification or email. Refunds, if applicable, will be processed based on KFC's policies. And if you've placed an order through a third-party delivery app like Uber Eats, DoorDash, etc., follow the cancellation process for that specific platform instead.